All right, so my son is the first person who found this. My buddy Rody got one in yesterday, and I got mine today. So watch how they present. The presentation is everything. Look at her. Oh, she's over here making fun of me. You see it? Oh. Presentation is everything. Remember that. Bang! This is how it comes. Cash card in a brown motherfucking envelope. This is so crazy. My girl would just grab the phone and record it. There you go. What the hell is that? This card was forged for Mike McNally. That is crazy. Forged. Whoa. Oh, that's dope. That was good. Supposed to have that dash right there? That was which one?
That was the Cash App card.
Cash App card. Now drop the black card. Now drop the Cash App. The Cash App card is actually heavier. But what I forgot to say is that the luxury card from Black Card has got a carbon fiber back piece on it. So the back of it's carbon fiber, the front of it's stainless steel. So carbon fiber is. So that's why it's a, what is it, like point something? We'll come up the weights in a minute. We're weighing these type of things. That's why we have the scale. All right, so I'm gonna do my one card first. Let's see what the hell that one weighs. Zero it out. Zero it out. Cash App card. 21.85. Pull that off, let it zero back out. And then here is my luxury card, Black Card with the carbon fiber on the back. 21.41. That is it. All right, so the Cash App card, you know, we thought what we were doing in the beginning when we thought, oh yeah, we got a Cash App card. I went and designed my Cash App card. It was so cool, glue in the dark, glows in the dark, that kind of crap. This one's $50, but I also bought a shitload of stock in Snap because I think Snap's going to go way up after the, I mean, for $50 you get a metal card. You want to flex on your buddies. That's how you do it. All right, so my buddy Rody just came over. So now not only do we have my Black Card, the luxury card, which is not from, who the hell is that? American Express, it's MasterCard. We have the Cash App card in, what is this called?
The burnt titanium.
Burnt titanium, no, I don't know what the hell this is. It's like a weird color. Anyway, and then the black one. This is the black card from Cash App. So we're going to weigh them all right now. This is Alex's card right here. Don't have his information, so we're good. That's his Apple card. Is that an Apple credit card? Oh, okay. Do you only buy Apple stuff with it? What is it?
No, you can buy anything with it.
Oh, really? Okay, cool. Lower interest rate or something? Why the hell would anybody want to get an Apple card?
It's only 12% interest.
All right, we're going to weigh them up. Death Row Records. All right. And let's start with the new one, the Apple card. Now that's not the Apple one. The Apple one, the white one. Throw that on there. What's the Apple card weigh? 14.92. All right, let's take that one off and go with the black card. This is not an active black card. This is an old one that they had sent me. So it's not active, but if you guys want to waste your time and go for it, then go for it. So you get 21.75. And then last but not least, oh no, we have two more to go. Put that all the way on the scale though. All right, so the titanium punk ass metal, whatever it's called, 21.8. Oil stained color. And then here's the black card. Put it all the way on, give it a fighting chance.
Are they different? 12 pounds.
Is 21.6. Alright, so wait. Zero it out. This is my old card. If you have like an old card and you're like, well, how much, what's the difference? Yours is 5 grams or whatever the fuck it is. And then here's the metal one they sent me. There's a substantial difference. It is really a big difference. That's insane. And it's pretty strong, so I like it. But yeah, that's it. Hang on a second. If you wonder where to get it from, I'm going to walk you through it right now. From one phone to another. You're going to go up to the top here, I believe, and you click. Not there. Card. Here. Mikey's right. Hit card. Then there, right there. Boom. Design a new card. As you arrow up.
And if it doesn't
it
show
is
up,
called chameleon metal. That's what it's called. Chameleon metal. And then you've got the black metal card, which is what he got. He got that. I got the other one. This has been the heaviest one, I think. Which one's been the heaviest? The
chameleon.
Yeah, the chameleon one's the heaviest, but sick. Very cool. Very
But
cool.
if it doesn't show up, uninstall it.
Yeah, uninstall the
or
app and then
sign out,
reinstall
sign
the app, sign out, sign back in, and you'll be able to do that. Yeah, so the cards are expensive, $50 each. If you want a metal one, but it's just a fucking cool card. Why wouldn't you want that? Why do you want plastic? Plastic one's cool.
If you drop it, you'll hear it.
If you drop it, you can find it. Let's put it that way.